We have updates in the field of immigration, a dramatic drop in legal representation for immigrants in U.S. immigration courts. Additionally, Texas implements a new law against migrant trafficking, increasing penalties up to 10 years. All this and more I'll tell you next. Welcome to the Week 6 news section with Quiroga Law Office, space that opens up to share all the updates in the field of immigration. Here are the most important immigration news of the week. We invite you to stay tuned for our content. Texas has implemented a law that toughens penalties for migrant trafficking, increasing them from 2 to 10 years. Signed by Governor Abbott, this law is a part of the effort to reinforce border security, as well as continue criticizing the Biden administration immigration policy. The law has generated oppositions and is attacked by the immigrant defense groups, who argue that it does not address the root causes of the problem. The rate of legal representation for immigrants in the U.S. has fallen from 65% to 30% in 5 years. Despite the increase in legally represented immigrants, it is not enough to meet the growing demand and the tripling of pending cases since 2019. The immigration courts, which do not offer free lawyers, show great state disparity in representation rates, while continuing criticism of the immigration system due to the lack of available lawyers, affecting access to justice. Starting April 1, 2024, USCIS will update its immigration fee for the first time since 2016, increasing the cost of 83 immigration procedures in order to reduce annual cost recovery by $730 million, and expand exceptions for vulnerable groups. Despite the increase, discounts are offered for certain applications and will not exceed a 26% increase, in line with inflation since 2016. While the measure seeks to improve service, it also poses challenges for immigrants with limited resources. The U.S. Senate presented the bipartisan immigration reform that failed to advance, receiving 49 votes in favor and 50 against, far from the 60 needed for approval. The proposal included military aid, strict border control, and new pathway for asylum seekers. In addition, it foresaw a significant increase in funding for immigration agencies. The fall of this project is set back for all immigrants, in addition to the 3.2 million pending cases that will continue to wait indefinitely.
This has been the news summary for this week, brought to you by Quiroga Law Office. Remember to follow us on our social media platforms. Don't forget to share this news recap so that the entire immigrant community can stay informed and up to date on the most relevant topics that matter to us, immigrants in the United States.